In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Facebook frame using Canva. The process is simple and fun, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized frame ready to use. So, let's get started. First, visit Canva's homepage, and if you haven't already, log into your account. If you don't have an account, it's easy and free to sign up. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a search bar right in the middle of your screen. This is where you can look up various templates available on Canva. Type in Facebook frame and press enter. You'll be presented with a variety of template options that you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select one that suits your style. When you click on a template, a pop-up will appear with more details. You'll want to go ahead and click on Customize this template. Now this part is where the creative process really begins. Once inside the editor, you have the freedom to customize your frame. You can change colors, add text, and play with the design to make it uniquely yours. For this tutorial, let's add some pictures to the frame. On the left side menu, you'll find the Elements tab. Click on it and then search for a frame. Select a circle frame from the options provided and drag it onto your design. You can adjust the frame to the desired height by clicking on its edges and dragging them. Now it's time to add an image to your design. Go back to that left side menu and click on Uploads. Here you can either upload a new image from your device or choose one from your previous uploads. Once your image is uploaded, drag it to the frame on your design canvas. Make sure it fits neatly within the boundaries. For an added touch, right-click on the image, select Layer, and click on Send to Back. This will position your image behind other elements, creating a layered effect. When you're happy with your design, it's time to share or download your new Facebook frame. Click on Share at the top right of the page, followed by the download icon. A menu will pop up offering various download options. To ensure your frame works appropriately on Facebook, make sure to check the box for transparent background before downloading. This step is crucial because it ensures that your frame will overlay correctly on profile pictures without a visible background. Finally, click Download, and your personalized Facebook frame will be saved to your device. And that's it! You've successfully created a custom Facebook frame using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more creative tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!